Hi, I'm William Parr, and I run Kensei Ryu and Kensei Taiko. And Kensei Taiko is a school of Japanese drumming, and Kensei Ryu is a school of Io-Jutsu, the martial art of the samurai. It's of that period when they stopped using armour so much and they were going around with shorter swords, so they had to learn how to use them. So every movement that I teach goes directly back 600 years to the samurai back in the 1600s. This is a tanto, so this is just a short sword that they would have, sometimes called a wakizashi. So it's a fairly short sword, which they could use if they needed to at any time. They had the longer katana. So this is a folded steel katana. So this was the short sword that they started to develop around the 1600s, and then they had to learn how to use it, dressed pretty much as I am, in a hakama and a gi top or a kimono. And the sword will be tucked into the belt the same as this tanto is. So the sword will be used for quick draws and to dispatch an enemy very quickly and to be put away. These are silver. There's ray skin in the little diamonds that you can see there maybe, and there so that you can get a good grip if it gets gory. This this handguard is made by an artisan, as is the fuchi. The blade is folded many times and hammered over again, so it's very strong. It has a differentially hardened edge so that it can cut and hold a very good edge for a long time. And the back is a softer steel so that it will give if it hits armour. The tang on this one comes to there, yeah. Some come shorter. Sometimes they come to about there, but this is a full tang, yeah, so it makes it safer. And it's got two pegs. These little pegs are called makugi, and they can be pushed out. Take the handle off so you can see who made it, because the smith would sign the tang. We call it an akago, but yeah, they're always signed on the blade, on the nakago, yeah.